In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report missing places or wrong pins in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, search for the location or zoom in on the area where the place is missing or incorrectly pinned. Then, click or tap the menu or right-click on the map and select Add a Missing Place. If the pin is wrong, click the incorrect place and choose Suggest an Edit. From there, you can update the name, location, or remove the place if it's not correct. Fill in the correct details like the business name, category, and address so Google can verify it properly. Once you're done, submit your report and it will be reviewed by Google before changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to report missing places or wrong pins in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.